Hello everyone, we are Simplyfy and here are our findings of the study case. Before we start, we want to show SeaBank concerning consideration. We want to know, is concerning consideration that SeaBank have really happened? So, we do a research to know that and find out the problem or opportunity. We do in-depth interview to 3 users who have invested and 1 user who have interest to investment. We collect result of in-depth interview on this map. It's called affinity mapping. This map makes us easier to grouping user statement based on in-depth interview.
Here are findings based on affinity map. Our informant had interact with risk management feature, but they didn't use it. It happens because they have many goals, but risk management just with one of their goals. SeaBank has concerning consideration to foster a sense of trust in its investment platform. We found the reason why our 3 informants were interested in investing. One of the reasons was external encouragement. This external encouragement comes from recommendation and testimonial from friends and topics from influencers. The 3 informants who have invested shared that they gather information and learn about investing through various platforms and books before buying investment.
Based on our finding, we propose the solution. Portfolio created based on their goals. We have recommendations to put risk management on its portfolio. We believe that if this risk management is made by considering an investment objectives and investment period, it will suit the user's needs. The feed feature will allow users to share their activities such as buying, selling, and current returns. Other users will recognize the mutual about their activities at investment. We believe that this feature will add a sense of trust in using SeaBank's investment platform. To make it easier for users to access knowledge and other information about investing, we propose the Invest One-on-One feature. This feature contains investment knowledge that is presented currently. We believe that this feature will make it easier for users to start investing.